Yung Fine Tattoo Minimalist Line Works using Tech Stencil Solution, Tech Product Philippines, MLC Tattoo Supplies. Yan. Meron din silang foaming soap, antibacterial, and ink mixing solution. Isang package po yan in a box. Pwede nyo i-order. Yan. Ni-stencil muna natin ang design ni Madam. Nga pala ang meaning yan is Libra. Sa Pinterest, Google, type nyo lang yung gusto nyong line works ng Libra or design. Sa lahat ng gusto magpatattoo, PM lang ho kayo ha. 24/7 kahit saan po yan, from north to south, east and west. And November 9 to 14, Taichung, Taiwan, Central District near train station. May mga kausap ako, baka mas mapaaga ako ng 5, 6, 7, and 8 doon. Depende pa po yan. Yan. Isang tingin muna bago tattoo. Ito nga pala yung ginawa natin. Using 5RL all the way with 6 to 6.5 voltage and allegory block. Right? Thank you Lord. PM lang ako sa gusto magpatattoo. And ito yung product.